Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how to manage consignment in Splendid Accounts. For consignment, first of all, we have to enable that option from company settings by checking the box. So first we will click on the company name, then click on company settings, click on settings, scroll down, and here we will find a track consignment option where we can check the box for enable tracking, tracking consignment, and save the company settings. After saving this option, we get the consignment option under setup in the general section. So here we can also create a consignment beforehand. For example, if this is a consignment and we want to link it with a vendor, we can do that. The consignment number is shown here. You can change it manually or keep this number as is. Link it with whichever vendor you want. I have selected a vendor named Adil, and here I've clicked save and close. So this consignment has been created for this vendor. Now click on purchase and then click on purchase invoice. Click on add purchase invoice. Here we select the vendor Adil, and whatever consignments I have created under his name will be shown here. So if I am creating a purchase invoice, I can link this consignment with it, indicating that this purchase is being made for this consignment. Simply select the consignment here, enter the quantity of the product you are purchasing, the rate you want, and save it. To click on save and continue edit. As soon as you approve it, the system will show the total by adding the old inventory of this product and this new inventory. However, if we look consignment-wise, the system will show us the stock purchased from this specific consignment. So we come here under reports. Let's search for the on-hand report here. Here we select that product. When we click show, it shows 250 pieces here, indicating we have this much stock on hand. In this same section, if we select consignment and click show, the system will display the stock available under that specific consignment, showing how much stock you have left in it. You can also purchase this same product from the same vendor under a different consignment, and the system will show you the stock consignment-wise as well. Similarly, when you want to make a sale, when you create a sale, you can select the consignment there too. We are in sales now. You simply select the customer, and here you select the product. Here it will ask you which consignment you want to manage the stock from. Select that consignment, enter the quantity, and click save and approve here. Now let me check the report again to see how much stock balance is left in that consignment. The total left is 245. If I want to view it consignment-wise, I have 45 pieces. So this is how we can make purchases under a consignment in Splendid Accounts, and we can also create sale invoices from a consignment. Thank you.